Convent School, Balashwar. I have secured 99.4% in my ICSE Class 10 board examinations. And for this, I would like to give credit to my mom, just for her unconditional love and support. And of course, my principal, who has been a blessing and a light in the path of my darkness. Here I want to share some views regarding the entire academic journey. First of all, ICSE is a very interesting syllabus, interesting course. If any child wants to pursue something greater and apart from being a doctor, engineer, then ICSE is the best. It opens doors to many career options like research and so on. And it's very efficient for anyone who wants to pursue a career abroad. So I would encourage every single child to pursue ICSE as its goal, because that will be beneficial in the long run. Yeah, of course, you might feel the pressure of a huge syllabus, but as you go beyond that and try to learn things and make learning a lifelong process, then of course you will enjoy it no matter what. And thank you everyone for their immense support, guidance, my parents, my tuition teachers, my school teachers, the entire school. Every single person has been a greatest support in my academic journey. Thank you so much.
The objective of the school is overall development, which I have seen in the last 13 years. And this is the overall development which was my objective 13 years back when I was I can proudly say that I don't regret my decision. It's been a great journey for my daughter as well as for me, my wife, all the people who are associated with her. We feel today proud of Mount St. Vincent Convent School. This school is going to be always there in our heart, in our mind, and a part of our soul. Thank you all the teachers, all the non-teaching staff, everyone, for being the primary thrust behind my daughter's transformation. Thank you very much.
Teachers, parents, and my loving students, I can say today is a proud moment for me. I could remember the last 100 years day when I hold my daughter's hand and stepped into the school. It was really a proud moment. That day, I was a little bit curious whether to choose the right school for my daughter. But now, standing in the platform, I am really very proud, because the holistic development of my child is only from this platform. I am grateful to all the teachers, her friends who have inspired her, motivated her to be in this position. I think I am also a teacher. Every day I see lots of students who come to my college for study and also for other curricular activities. In this platform, my daughter has got a new way for her development. I am grateful to his father, who also has dedicated all the tireless nights for this day, and my parents, who also have guided. At last, I really owe my school, owe my gratefulness to this school, who have not only provided good education, but she has developed her personality. Today, I can challenge wherever she will go, the name of this school will follow this. Thank you so much. Once again, I am grateful to all the teachers and principals who have guided her and given her a right path to go forward. Thank you once again.
Respected principal, all my dear teachers, all my dear friends who have scored so well in the exam. Yesterday I was present in the school during when the result came out. I was a bit nervous, I was a bit sad, but all the teachers, they said that no, you have done well, and no one should be
principals have supported me, not only Sister Maleen, but all the previous principals have supported me. The school has supported me and the school has helped me throughout my development, whether it is academic development, emotional development, or any kind of activities that I have taken part in. All I want to say is that I am very thankful to my teachers, to the principal, and especially to my parents for supporting me. Also, my siblings have supported me throughout that.
Principal Reverend Sister Marie, all my respected teachers and my beloved classmates. This journey has been, of course, fabulous. I was admitted to the school when I was in standard 5, and I started the initial years for online classes. But of course, when I started the real offline classes, I knew the beauty. There has been a lot of ups and downs in this whole journey. All my teachers, they've always supported me. My class teacher, Simona, in every PTM, she was like, "You will score good. No need to worry about the results." And I've been grateful to each and everyone for guiding me. And with this journey, of course, my parents, my mother, she has a very special place because she was the one who has taught me since now also. So it has been a very great journey. And my father also is present sitting in the back. He has been my backbone, of course, supporting me through every up and down. I will be grateful to this school also for many more journeys. And I was exposed to a lot of factors like debates and all, or speaking competitions, and those are the core memories which I will always cherish. Of course, the friends, the family that I've made here, they're fabulous and gems. My teachers, the one that we miss the most, some of them are not present here also. They're going to be my core memory forever, and I will always cherish those. Thank you, everyone.
And present here, our esteemed, beloved principal, Sister Marie, and all my dear teachers. Today I stand here to share my experience or my joy of studying here. To be very honest, the teachers here, they have supported me. They are like friends to me, my second parents. Because they have taught me so much and they have always been such a huge cheerleader for me. I remember like the last year was full of so many health issues for me, but my teachers have always guided me that don't worry, you'll always be fine. But sir, thank you so much for seeing the potential in me. When I could not, when I was surrounded by all the illness, you were always there standing for me, telling me how that despite of all of this, I will forward and I will show my true potential. And thank you so much for always being like a friend to me, to whom I could share anything. Like all my troubles, all my issues, all my happiness. Thank you so much. I could never thank you enough for all of the love you have provided me. And thank you so much, Sister Marie, for providing such a guidance for me, for such a caring environment for me where I could study and not care for any problems that are awaiting outside. Because this school is like a second home for me. Studying here for 13 years from nursery to standard 10 has been such a wonderful experience for me that I'll forever cherish. And no matter where I go, there will always be this very sensation in me that no one can take up. And now I really want to thank my parents who have always trusted me. Like, I have really covered them so much with all of my illness, yet they never complained it to me, and they were always there for me in all of those sleepless nights. And I remember, not yesterday, the night before yesterday, I was so scared when I heard that the result will come out. I was very scared. But they always consoled me. They were like, "No, I know you will do very good because we know you. We know how much capable you are. We know your caliber." So I really want to thank them so much for always believing in me. And I really want to say that this school has provided me with so much love and immense care that I know I will not be able to get anywhere. And lastly, I really want to give my regards to all my teachers, to my sister, and all my fellow mates also who always encouraged me. Thank you so much, everyone.
Good morning to each and everyone present over here. This is not only a student success, but each and every person associated with the student. I thank all my teachers, esteemed principal, my parents, and each and every student of this Mission family. Everyone have encouraged me, supported me, guided me, loved me with so much care that I will remain ever grateful
I have given them the proud moment that every daughter and every child should give to their parents. I thank each and everyone associated with this community. The Spenshenshian family is the soul, is always attached to my soul, and it cannot be removed. Even if I continue in the school or not, but the Vincentian goal will always be. Thank you to each and everyone present. Teachers and all my friends who are sitting here. This day will be forever memorable to us. Well, everyone has succeeded in the ICSE Class 10 board examinations. I've been in this school for 13 years, since nursery I've been studying. And I must say that there hasn't been a single day that I've not learned anything. Every day I've learned something new, whether it be studies or anything else. And these memories, these lessons that I've learned will be forever memorable to me and will be helpful to me in my further future. My teachers, my parents, my principal have helped me throughout this journey of class 10. Without their support and their love, I wouldn't be here standing here speaking. And this is very much emotional to me to say this, but I love you all very much. Thank you so much for the love and support, and thank you so much.
Each and everyone has scored very well, and I thank my class teacher Bunty sir and all the teachers who helped me throughout. They supported me, and I did not score very well in pre-boards too, but after that also they supported me and believed in me. So now I am standing here, and thank you to each and everyone. Sister Marie, you listen to me, you listen to my problems and help to take care. So thank you so much. This school has provided so much to me. Love, care, attention, support and everything. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Respected Principal Sister Marie, and all my dear teachers and all my classmates, achiever classmates actually, with their parents. And today I am here to tell my experience, share my experience and the wonderful journey of being a Vincentian. I am glad to have such a supporting teachers, principal, and my friends. They are very motivating to me, and I can never thank enough to my class teacher. She has motivated me a lot regarding my weak subjects or just my studies and extracurricular activities. She has guided me, and all the teachers in fact have guided me to the right path, and for which I am standing here today, showing my